Today we are going to replace the old rear lights with new one. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, let's unscrew those 5 bolts first. And here it is, all the pieces. Not sure if this was original because it says Japan here. Japan. Okay, let's see the condition. The glasses itself are okay, but look at this. Oh, look at this wiring. Yeah, Japan for Europe. Who knows? Maybe it was original. We will see. Let's try to unplug this if it's possible and to try to remove those bulbs. They look okay. What happened to this plug? I see somebody put some grease inside, which I'm not aware. What's this? Let's try to clean this. So this is a model that should be replaced. You can check the info where I ordered it, but we have a problem now because, as you can see, the wrong wire on a bulb is turned on. This is for the brake. I tried both lamps, but it's the same. So now I need to, this is now position, but the wrong one is turned on. You see, the stronger one now is turned on. So I need to rewire those two, to replace those wires, to just cut them and switch green to red and red to green to invert them, and then it will be fixed. I need to do that on a bolt, and then this should work just fine. Let's then do it. So the tool is heating. Let me show what I plan to do. So let me cut those 2 wires, and I will just rewire them like this, and then it should work. So let me do it now. Okay, this is now position light, and brake will turn on, and that's the expected behavior. This is how I inverted the wires, so this had to be done. Now it works just fine. Brake, that's it.